That's what will happen. You will have to do parenting classes and everything else. Community supervision with your attorney, and did you understand it?
Quick legal gut punch, nerds. The judge just telegraphed that mom could go into labor behind bars. That's not drama, it's Texas law. If no approved adult shows up for the baby, CPS walks out of the delivery room with your kid. Instant foster care clock started. Anyone else feel the temperature?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Briella Butler who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 4982 for the offense of forgery of a financial instrument on February 12, 2025 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violate condition number 1, on or about the 22nd day of May 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Briella Butler, committed the offense of possession of a controlled substance, plea group 1, in violation of condition number 1.
How many pleas to that, true or not true?
I'm sorry, was that true?
True.
Thanks, ma'am. We'll waive the remaining violated condition, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, Your Honor, it's unagreed.
All right, state, what are you requesting?
The state is requesting adjudication of guilt and revoke for community supervision for 18 months in the state jail facility. One part of the agreement, we are taking into consideration the possession case she just pled to, which is JN.
She just admitted the violation true on the record. Translation. She handed the court a loaded sentencing gun. One pull of the statutory trigger and boom. 2 years state jail, $10,000 fine. Question for the chat. Would you ever plead true without a deal on the table? Or is that pure poker face desperation?
714-3967. And we're also taking into considerations a county court at 2 case 2025 CC 011626, which is a failure to ID, Your Honor.
All right, in defense, what are you requesting? Oh, you can't sign it.
Well, this is the
Okay.
Your Honor, we're requesting that you continue her on probation, to deny the motion, and to follow the recommendation by probation to send her into the MIC unit or some other type of supervisory program with zero tolerance.
I really don't normally do zero tolerance in this court because being on probation, you're supposed to follow the rules. So my question for you, or maybe for her, what have you done? Because you've been on probation since February. What have you done? Have you completed? You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Briella Butler.
What have you done?
I went to the 60 days NA or AA online virtual visits. I reported twice.
All right, so that didn't work because you're here for a possession of controlled substance. What was that controlled substance?
Methamphetamines.
All right. So we know that doing the 60 days didn't work because you have a possession of meth. And how
7 months pregnant, still testing hot for meth. The math is brutal. 210 days of fetal exposure. Now 0 bargaining chips. Defense tried zero tolerance probation. Judge basically said, cute, but no. When pregnancy meets possession, courts swap rehab for prison. Drop a broken heart if that reality just hit you harder than the
pregnant, how far along are you in your pregnancy?
7 months.
All right. So what that means is you're doing drugs.
No, ma'am, I wasn't.
Who did the meth belong to?
DeAndre Hartley. I have an affidavit that they brought in. It wasn't mine. I did stay at the scene when the cops came. My car, I just bought it. It was broke down, and I was at my mom's house. And cops pulled up, and when they pulled up, my friend ran off.
Fork in the road moment. Inpatient rehab at safe, behind razor wire. or 18 months state jail time. Either way, she gives birth in custody. The only variable is whether she keeps parental rights afterward. Would you roll the dice on 9 months of prison rehab, or take the flat sentence and hope for early parole? Comment your pick below. Court is now in your hands.
And they immediately put me in handcuffs and searched the car.
So let me just tell you right now,
And
the only way you're going to be continued on probation if you go into inpatient treatment. We're not doing this zero tolerance thing. So she can either go into inpatient treatment, and because you're pregnant, they will accept you at Sympathy, but they're not going to accept you at any of the programs because of how far along you are in your pregnancy. So you can either do that or you can do the 18 months.
okay. Baby. Can I take my baby with me?
No, what ends up happening when you are at Sympathy, because it's at the prison, when you're at Sympathy and you deliver your baby, someone needs to be there to accept custody of your child. Otherwise, Child Protective Services will be picking up your baby and you will have a CPS case. And when you're released from Sympathy, that's what will happen. You will have to do parenting classes and everything else that's required of you. And when you have somebody, if you have your mom or whoever it is to come pick up your child at the prison, they will make a determination on whether or not that person is appropriate or not. All right. So the court will deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include Sympathy.
And there it is, 9 months safe bid plus a 3-month jail queue. She'll deliver, hand the baby to maybe grandma, then walk back into shackles. Parenting classes, CPS oversight, no unsupervised visits. This isn't just a sentence, it's a blueprint for rebuilding a family from ground zero. If your heart rate's normal, rewind and listen.
Probation, is there anything you recommend other than Sympathy? I'm sorry, what?
Possibly next week, or talk about it. To flag us selfish.
All right, so there'll be Sympathy, and that's, of course, is in custody. And then
How long?
it is 9 months. And you have to wait. What's the wait time for Sympathy? I'm sorry, what? All right, so usually the wait time for Sympathy normally is 3 months. So you'll be waiting at the jail for 3 months, then they'll transfer you to Sympathy and you'll be there for 9 months. All right, so the court is going to deny the motion.
Oh, gavel down, life rewritten. One signature just turned a pregnancy timeline into a prison timeline. While we're here debating, that baby's due date is now synced to a correctional schedule. Think the system is built to rehabilitate, or just to separate? Hit the comments, but keep it respectful. Real lives just got stamped inmate and ward of the state.
Alter and amend conditions to include Sympathy. Once she is released from Sympathy, she's to be placed on the MIC caseload, and there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors, field visits until further notice. She's to complete parenting classes. Court will take in consideration JN 7143967 and 2025 CC 011626. All right. Is there anything else?
Nothing from us, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hi, did you guys need something?
The month
Okay, go ahead.